A lot of people have asked me about my setup. Let me show you my setup first, and then we will be going over what are the things I have, what are the things I bought, what you can probably get, and what makes your setup aesthetic, I guess. So let's just get started. All right, so this is how my setup looks. That is Cellwell chair. It costed me around 12,000 rupees. That is Moano mic AU04, which costed me around 4,000 or 5,000 rupees. This is the main setup thing, which is our MacBook M4 Pro 16-inch, 48 GB and 512 GB SSD, which costed around 2,75,000, I guess. That is LG monitor. I will give all of the links in the description so you can purchase the best buy link. This monitor is 27-inch and it costed me around 15,000 rupees. That is OnePlus Buds, which costed around 5k. This is Apple Magic keyboard, which costed around 9,000 or probably 11,000. Yeah, 11,000. That is the Logitech MX Master 3, which costed around 9,000. Now, this is the all of the tech related gadget. This is a single tripod. You can find it locally. Now comes to the main thing, which is this spotlight. This spotlight is costed around, I think it is by Godox. Yeah, you can see it is by Godox and it costed around 3,000 rupees or probably 2,500 rupees. That is the light by Digitech Light, which costed around 15,000 rupees. I don't exactly know about the price. I probably forgot. Then now let's come to this below library of books. So there are around 30 books and each one of them costed around 200 to 150 rupees. You can buy multiple books. One book recommendation I can give, which is this JavaScript in depth, which is JavaScript the definitive guide, if you want to purchase. This is the drawing tab which I sometimes use. It is of my friend. It is by this company called iWall. Unfortunately, the drivers are not supported for MacBook, and this is the Samsung SSD 2 terabytes, which costed around 15,000 again. And yeah, this is the behind the scene of that LED strip. You can get this kind of LED strip for 300. The adhesive was so bad, so it is now stitching out. But yeah, that is the simple dyno. I used to have some soft toys here, but since I am moving out soon from this place, so I won't be having the access for that, so I'm bringing them with me. Rest, there is this power cord which connect to my charger, the monitor. I don't know what is for that, but yeah, for something, and that is for MacBook. And yeah, I have decentish cable management. It looks good, it looks aesthetic. If I show you a far view of this setup, so this setup is roughly around of I believe it should be around 3.5 lakhs. And yeah, that is all you can get for. But yeah, if you are building a new setup, then I would suggest to go with a more larger or probably a ultra wide monitor, because that will be more helpful. Otherwise you will need to have 3 screens, because I still believe I have pretty of the less space comparatively, because that screen I can open the live deployed URL. This one I can code on, and I need another a little bit of space for the timer, or sometimes for the Figma file, because I don't want to switch my tabs again and again. So if you are a front-end developer, I would say go with a larger screen. But if you are a back-end developer and you have little bit of space, then go with that. Also, the table size is around 4 by 2.5 feet and it costed me around 1,200 rupees. The cheapest thing in this setup is the table. And yeah, this mat is of 300 rupees. I think this is the cheapest, you can say. I have changed the buyer of this mic because it was a USB-C, USB-A to USB-B, but I wanted to have a USB-B to USB-C. So I've got it for that. And yeah, that is all my setup in a nutshell. So yeah, leave a like if you like it and do subscribe to the channel.